Today for lunch there's the ballpark bar, chicken parmesan pasta and a garlic breadstick, or hot dog with sauerkraut and corn chips. To get a split screen view to show two apps at once, after you have your first app open, drag up the dock from the bottom of your iPad. Press and hold the second app you want to split screen with and drag it up to either side. Use the line in the middle to adjust how much space each app has, and when you're finished, use the line in the middle to swipe one app completely away. Email your school-appropriate Bitmoji to tjhsnews@jcsdk12.org and we will add it to the end screen. 7th and 8th grade boys interested in playing junior high basketball are invited to an open gym tonight, tomorrow, and Thursday from 3:30 to 5 p.m. If you have any questions, ask Mr. Clark. The elementary girls basketball team is inviting 6th grade athletes to join. They'll be working on fundamental skills, and if there is enough interest, they'll be playing in a league. The first session for November and December is $50. Practices are on Wednesdays and Sundays and start tomorrow. Please contact the coaches if you have more questions. Picture retakes are tomorrow. Cheerleading tryouts for 6th through 12th grade athletes will be tomorrow at Juniata High School Gymnasium from 5:30 to 7:30 p.m. There are flyers in the office with more information. The first marking period ends this Friday. Sunday, our clocks will fall back an hour. The Booster Clubs of Juniata County School District are hosting a bonfire next Tuesday, November 9th in the Clinging-Smith Stadium. If you'd like to sign up, please scan the QR code at right. Remember, next Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday there is no school for students because of parent-teacher conferences and Veterans Day. Now, please rise for the flag salute. Flag salute.